So obviously the Fourth Amendment has a right to privacy component about it. Can you talk about some of the important concerns today about privacy and the Fourth Amendment?
You raise a great question in terms of expectations of privacy and a notion of the right to privacy in the Fourth Amendment. Because the Fourth Amendment does talk about being secure in persons, in property, issues along those lines. So part of the doctrine behind the Fourth Amendment gets at this concept of the reasonable expectation of privacy. We have the kind of privacy that we reasonably expect that we have. That raises a number of issues in terms of whether our reasonable expectation of privacy changes over time. So as we go to a situation where more information is just out there about us, do we lose our expectation of privacy? If we do lose our expectation of privacy, then pretty soon it's simply going to be gone. The issue arises, for example, when we think about Facebook or other kinds of social media where our information gets out there, particularly as it involves who owns that information. If the information is owned by someone else, if Facebook now owns all of our Facebook posts, if they now own all the information that we put up on Facebook, all of a sudden there are real Fourth Amendment questions in terms of what our real expectation of privacy happens to be. It's an issue that most of us have with our employer. How much of what we send over our employer's emails do we suspect is kind of private versus how much of it really is private?